Lord knows I've been waiting for this day. Hi guys.
Hey guys.
Can everyone come in? We're going to France. Family trip. Finally, I've waited for this every day for the past 2 months.
Yay.
We've come to the bar shamelessly. Hi guys, it's Shreya.
And Sana.
Today we're going to be doing a taste test of the chocolate Saiba got me, which is the Dubai Kunafa chocolate, the pistachio and the hazelnut. Okay, I'm ready to try.
We've opened the pistachio kanafa. I didn't taste it. How's it?
Mmm,
It's not that good.
it's yummy.
But I like the crunch.
It's yummy.
It's like regular like dairy milk coating with like crunchy stuff inside. And
What is this thing? Where did you get this thing?
Okay, talk in the mic.
So I thought not let me have a beer. And Shreya, I only had one. Chotu sa glass.
Are you excited about Egypt?
Mm.
How do you feel? We are in Germany right now.
PP.
Same. Bye guys. I planned it. Okay, so we're officially in Nice. Let's go.
Paper. Yeah. Wow.
Now it's evening time and it's finally better. Everyone's in a better mood, and we all are finding gelato. So I'll show you.
No, only she's finding.
I mean, only I want, but like it's okay. Everyone's finding for me. Do you have caramel? Happy. I have not even tried it. As soon as we all got ice cream, we found the most famous ice cream of Nice.
Wow, yeah, I only planned it. Huh?
So my mom who didn't get ice cream is gonna get ice cream from there, and we are stuck with our beyond average ice creams.
Chicken McDonald's.
I'm sure. Hey guys,
hey guys.
we're going to the beach right now.
Going for a quick
And
swim in the sea, and then we are going to Monaco after lunch. And
we think.
yeah, that's what we think till for now.
why aren't we gonna go? Why?
Wait, why?
Because you all made it so late.
Papa just shit. It's only 11.
He's just anal. He just has OCD.
Shreya, look at the picture Mama loves. That
I
she
took
can
this
love.
picture. I think it was
Why
artsy.
does she love it?
No.
Who is that?
Anyways, guys, I'll talk to you about the beach. I was just singing and my mom was bothering me. But hey guys, welcome to France day 2, South of France day 2. Yesterday was intense, but today's gonna be fun because no fights are involved. Let's go.
Oh, +2.
So what?
Wait, can he do 10 trips -4?
I'm moving. Let's just do one trip, right? That's good.
I've been having this every day and it's like full of ice and I have sinus issues and it's not good for me.
Slushy.
I love what?
Slushy.
So nice to make this for me as a kid.
Tell everyone the story of your first ever slushy.
Sana had given it to me as a kid. Mama, take. I'll finish it. And she made one for me, and I didn't know what it was. And she used to keep on telling me, like, I used to keep on asking Sana, how did you make it? How did you make it? It's so good. And she was like, it's a secret, bro. And she would like, I could only have it if I asked her if she was at home. So that was
Guys, the
traumatizing.
secret was
I still don't know.
and crushed ice. Nothing fancy.
But how did you crush the ice in the mixing? Really?
Guys, this gelato is insane, and this is my first meal.
That's the view.
Priya has all the equipments, just by the way.
I just don't know how to use it.
Just so you all know, she has all the equipments to keep you all engaged. But she uses her hand.
Oh, I should use my mic. I should have gotten.
Oh yeah, there's the mic.
It's at home. Fuck. I get it. Beach. It looks like.
Guys, so I found this restaurant on ChatGPT, basically. And they don't take reservations.
So.
And you get the best rigatoni.
Shut up.
Do they?
Not they don't.
Yep, told you.
Okay. Guys, the food is calm. We have some rigatoni. We have my my dad.
Shreya has a full parmesan.
Love it.
Everybody is making a video.
The food looks great, basically. There's a mess. Posting track. Going back to the hotel. Guys, my mom was doing a time pass and by fluke she won like 1,000 euros.
You close that.
You do it.
You do it. Close that.
Check Ruchi.
Whatever works. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Seriously?
Yeah.
My god, you got 270.
Bro, what the?
It's so pretty, but I hate to break it, you guys. It's disgustingly hot, but it is very pretty. Okay, we're done with Monte Carlo. We're done.
Papa.
We're going back
Papa.
to Nice. I'm tired.
I have done 13,000 steps.
Same. I did 16,000 yesterday. Boom.
Let's check how much I have.
Let me also check.
I'm feeling weak.
Oh yeah, 13. No. Yesterday 16,132.
Same.
Let's see before I came. Okay, 1,300.
Mama, check yours.
To walk in.
You do have a watch and all.
Imagine if I can have a.
She says pardon me because I'm vlogging. Guys, my mom never says all this. Hi
yacht
guys. We went to a yacht club and we went to the casino, and for some reason my luck was damn good and we low-key won, then we lost, but overall luck was good and we overall made profits. What do you have to say about it?
Super.
Don't you think my luck was too
Very
good?
excited.
And every time my dad was disappointed in me, suddenly I won. So I think you should stay disappointed. Because that means I'm gonna win. Guys, I'm very tired and I'm very overdressed. But I was like, you know what? See my tan? But I was like, you know what? For some pics, I will. Back to Nice.
Oh my God, Monaco was tiring.
But it was fun. It was actually really nice.
Very fun.
Tomorrow, day 3, we go to.
I've been asking them to plan since like 1 hour. No one cares.
We go to Cannes. I think we should do Cannes tomorrow.
Should we?
Bro, I love a good
Granola.
healthy, yeah.
So healthy.
Ooh, Kinder.
Okay.
We do the truffle days. If anyone's wondering what I got from the pharmacy or whatever, I got nothing.
Okay, I got this because Rahul's got me hooked onto it. It's too good.
Guys, I got to. Everyone was buying really fast and I'm so
Yeah,
indecisive.
same. But then I saw
Could not
Capri Sun.
decide.
But y'all have to try this. It's really good.
She dropped.
It's okay. Let's quickly do a taste test.
We're doing the.
Okay, this is the multivitamin Capri Sun.
So healthy for no reason. It's really good.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna do the taste test. It's like okay.
It's really.
It's like the breakfast buffet. It's really healthy.
Sorry.
But guys, I've realized how do I vlog? I need a vlog camera. I can't with my dad. Anyways, bye guys. I can't be a vlogger if my dad's around. I'm back.
Don't talk to me.
Guys,
You're not
I've
talking.
realized I can't vlog with my dad around because he's not supportive of any of my choices. Papa, see, you can't do all of this. I'm never gonna put it. You just talk, na. Don't do actions.
What do you mean talk? Na?
Make convo.
I don't want to talk to a camera. Chalo green hai. What are you all doing?
I just don't. I hate him so much right now. Papa, I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to you.
I don't talk to you ever.
It's gonna be a fun.
I'm not gonna talk. I'm actually not gonna talk now. Bye. Back to the hotel with my sister.
lost the key again.
Who lost the key again?
This is like the 5th key I've lost.
I'm
got it.
feeling content.
Yeah, tell them why.
Bye.
Yeah, you can talk also. Just be normal though.
Yeah, we're doing a taste test right now, and it's of
Okay.
this Lay's that we randomly picked up. What flavor is it? Nature.
I don't know. It says nature. I guess something related to the nature.
I don't know. We're just doing a taste test of some
So are we-
French Lay's.
Come, let's do it together. Okay, it looks like this.
Just eat it. You don't need to do all this.
Shreya. Oh my god.
Too salty.
Yeah, it's so salty, but like, it's like, I don't like it. It's like shrimp crackers, but in a bad way.
It's too salty but addictive.
Yeah. Like, like, it's like vinegar or something. I
Mm.
hate vinegar.
I like vinegar.
You know who like this? Mama.
Mama will.
She loves salt.
Mama, to try this. Tell
I
her-
don't know.
Try
Mama
this.
loves salt so much.
Come.
It's okay, just try it.
Okay, just try.
Try it. Try this.
I love it. I knew.
Yeah, because the salt is like.
Yeah, because she likes the really salty things.
Wait, do you want to try it?
My dad has gotten FOMO and he's
He's
come.
not liking it.
Okay, wait.
We made him like.
Like full cheating.
Give him. Okay, try it.
I don't like them.
Give an honest review.
What are you done these? Meh, very ass.
But see the flavor, like what is it? Because I can't describe.
Ghas poos and namak in it, nothing.
Yeah.
No
Oh my god,
words.
Gaspos, nature. He got it right.
You're so good.
Hear us? It's very possible. He's always eavesdropping.
Yeah, my
But
dad is.
this is not for
My dad is the biggest like FOMO.
Should we talk about our day?
No.
Should we talk about yesterday?
Oh, I've recorded everything.
She just doesn't want to talk to you. Like.
Bye.
Should we do a Q&A? Leave comments.
We should
Like
go up
sister
after the
Q&A.
video.
I have been begging her to do one.
You interrupt too much. You need to understand. We need to talk like one and one. You are an interrupter. So it's not going to make for a good video.
Shreya, you know what? You can teach me.
Just
I'm
don't
a good
interrupt. What
learner.
will I teach?
I might be an interrupter, but I'm a good learner also.
Okay.
If y'all like pressurize her, then y'all might get a Q&A.
This looks good. We're going to Nice at the station right now. Another day, another train. They're fighting. I love the fact that we both have photos. Guys, my mom has worn a fake hair bun and it's making her feel really hot. Mama, remove it now. No. Beauty is pain. What are you doing?
Thanks, yeah.
Guys, the thing she's doing. Oh god, she's getting close.
America.
I'm not understanding. Guys, we're at Cannes. Oh god, it's so hot, but very pretty.
Walk today.
Wait,
So I have an itinerary.
guys, our food just came and I kind of messed up. Like, I don't know why I'm eating this, but look at my dad's burger and Sana's burger and my mom also, I don't know what she ordered. We tried.
My blood. My blood.
Guys,
Why can't you
Sana
love
found
me?
this. Arey bro, I love you. I want to go here. I want to go to Papilla.
It's pink, we know. Shreya's all about them.
The pink shop. I'm damn excited.
No. But you end up.
Guys, we've given up. Any words?
A seagull. No, it's a duck.
We've given up. That's all I have to say. Chala, take one Bueno.
Guys, this is the best thing I've bought in Europe. And the only thing.
Guys, you're damn like.
I think again. Never again. I'm not coming.
Honestly, I'm
Bro, I'm
down.
looking so bad, I can't.
This is our state in Europe. We're going back to Greece right now. Mama's fake smile is on.
I'm going to the beach.
Hi guys, we've come for dinner and I'm not feeling very well, but I'm wearing a polka dress and that makes me happy. Cannes was super hot, but now we've come for dinner, so hopefully I get some energy. Bye. I don't know what they're talking. I'm so tired. Let me show you the
like
view.
it's really happening, but I'm so exhausted.
Stop. Guys, we ate a lot of ice cream. I'm going. Good night. Second last day of Nice over. Hi guys, it's Shreya.
And Sana.
And today we're gonna be doing a taste test. Actually, we're in Nice. It's our last day. We're on the beach right now, and we just swam. And now we're hungry. So we got barbecue layers.
Emmental Lays.
It's cheese. Can you please say it?
Oh, and I have cookie dough as well.
Oh, okay. So should we open everything that's giving
we
me?
should have done like this. We didn't think this through.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the view if anyone's wondering.
Crazy.
Yummy, basic.
I love cookie dough. Oh my god, I love cookie dough. Oh my god, I love it.
Guys, we thought we wouldn't like eat more, but you know what? Honestly,
We are going with the cheese lays.
okay, open it. Interesting. I feel like getting drunk.
Let's have a drink. We are not even drinking.
Should I drink?
Yeah, let's have a drink one more.
One. Bro, let's get drunk now.
Okay, fine, Shreya.
Okay,
You
let's
are
do
not
the taste
drinking.
test. Okay.
Okay.
She loves everything.
Really good.
Oh,
These
good.
are cheese Pringles, but better, crispier.
I think it's nice and cheesy. It gets more truffly, kind of cheddary after 1, 2. The first one was whatever. So for now, we're doing the barbecue lays.
Yeah.
Let's go.
It's like Pringles. It's nice.
This is like a little sweet and sour.
More flavor.
I'm thundering, and it's so sunny. Hi guys, our last day in Nice is over. This trip.
Everyone's trip is like this.
That's my
Or is
fit.
it just us? Is it just us or is everyone's trip?
I feel like it's just us. The last time we spoke to y'all was during the taste test. Oh god, it's fully dark. Sorry guys. It's cold suddenly.
As soon as we are leaving, and I bet it's gonna rain tonight.
Bye.